WCIA3 forecast first.
It has been an active day in central Illinois. We've had rain and storms and plenty of severe weather to go around. Right now, still have some light showers and a few rumbles of thunder along Interstate 57 from Basodum through Tuscola, down towards Mattoon and off towards Effingham. That batch of showers and storms continues to push off to the easter. I don't have anything concerning looking at it now. Still could be some gusty winds, some frequent lightning, and some heavy rain from that. Other storms to the south along Interstate 70 will continue their push to the east, but the instability seems to be waning. And that means we think we're done for the night for any severe weather. Temperatures will be dropping down into the lower 70s tonight with the rounds of showers and a few storms continuing. We'll continue to watch Storm Tracker Doppler and more, plus have updates on severe weather for Sunday. All of that and more as WCIA3 News at 10 starts right now.
Now from WCIA3 News.
Come join us to stand as a family and let's help save our kids.
Leaders are taking a stand against gun violence, what steps they're taking in hopes of creating change. Plus, tornadoes were spotted in parts of central Illinois where those storms are headed next. And the rain didn't stop one village from having fun, how people in Tolono are celebrating despite the weather.
You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA3 News at 10.
Tornadoes and heavy rains have impacted people across the state. Good evening, I'm Jamie Mays. We are starting with weather coverage. Meteorologist Jacob Dickey joins us. Jacob, you've been monitoring these storms for hours, all night.
We really have been all day and all night. Of course, you may have joined us for our wall-to-wall coverage today on WCIA3 News. These storms really moved quickly through the area, and the good news now is no longer worried about it. The tornado watch is no longer in effect. There was a severe thunderstorm watch in Indiana. That's done too. Instability is down. We don't think we're going to worry about any severe weather overnight tonight. The other thing too is that flash flood watch also canceled early for the area, so perhaps the heaviest rain is done. This is a quick check at storm reports. All these red icons you see here are reports of funnel clouds and tornadoes. That's today's reports. We also had 4 to 5 of those yesterday, and a number of reports of wind damage and flooding also through the area here over the last 24 hours, most of those from lunchtime into the afternoon and the evening. Real quick, tomorrow will bring the chance for some more strong to severe storms here. A level 1 risk of severe weather. The Storm Prediction Center will give us an update on tomorrow's chances tonight at midnight, so you'll want to join Jamie Mays and I again for the morning show at 7 a.m. for those updates. But for tonight, we can breathe and take a breath and step back. I think sleep well. Some folks are going to get some rest, myself included on that. But there will be some folks that have some cleanup due to the flooding and the severe weather we've seen in central Illinois.
All right, thanks, Jacob. And as storms raced through central Illinois, this is what it looked like in downtown Champaign. Blinding rain and wind swept through the area. A number of reports of tree damage and power outages occurred across Champaign County and surrounding areas. And the wind was not the only problem. Here's a look at significant flooding in Farmer City from the Sky 3 drone. Significant flooding has been a problem in parts of DeWitt County, where 5 to 8 inches of rain has fallen since Thursday night. And in Sangamon County, the heavy rain and wind caused some damage across Springfield. Power crews reported power lines were blown down near Capitol Airport. Other damage to trees and power lines occurred near Buffalo and near Spalding. And a funnel cloud was spotted near Chatsworth earlier this afternoon. This is a photo sent in by Tyler Kinney of the storm after it passed. Damage to several buildings in town occurred. You can see tree and power line damage and even a few buildings with roof damage. We're waiting for word from the National Weather Service. The damage was caused by straight line winds or a tornado. And flooding has been a big problem the last 24 hours in McLean County. The Funks Grove Fire Department reported late last night that I-55 southwest of Bloomington was closed. It's because the damage to the pavement caused by high water in the area. The interstate has opened at this time. Interstate 74 is also back open after high water backed up traffic near Downs. The McLean County EMA reports there were numerous water rescues in the area last night and this morning, though no injuries have been reported. And don't forget, you can download the WCIA app to stay up to date with all the latest weather updates. You can also check out our website at WCIA.com.
Now, Central Illinois' most accurate forecast with meteorologist Jacob Dickey.
Here's a look out in Mattoon right now. Some heavier rain showers and blustery winds in the area. No severe weather, and I think it stays that way. There's been a few flashes of lightning. Instability has come down, but there's still some tropical downpours in the neighborhood there. Temperature is 74. Dew point at 72. Very much air you can wear tonight, and that's for the story for the week ahead as this tropical moisture locks on in. We're sitting at 74 in Champaign and 76 in Decatur, 77 still in Springfield. These rounds of rain and storms continuing to push on through now east of Interstate 57 from, say, Charleston up towards Murdoch and areas east of Tuscola, even into southern Champaign County. We'll watch them. They should be out of here in the next hour or so. I'll still leave the chance, though, for scattered showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight as temperatures fall into the lower 70s out there. I don't anticipate severe weather. We'll be here. We'll watch it just in case. I think you can sleep fine tonight with these showers and storms on their way out. How about 72 for a low tonight in Champaign? 71 in Decatur. Notice future track really picking up and where those showers and storms are supposed to be here, doing a good job of it. As we go later here, they really fizzle out, and we'll still see some scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder through the night tonight and into tomorrow morning. But by 8 a.m., we may see some more development somewhere in the region, although I think a good chunk of us have a good chance at seeing some drier weather into the area for the start of our Sunday. So with some scattered showers in the morning, late morning, the best chance is going to come into the afternoon and evening. Temperatures will be back into the middle 80s out there, 85 in Danville, Clinton at 84. How about 82 in Jacksonville, 84 in Shelbyville. Heat index values may get us close to 90, but we think we're not quite as soupy as we were today. Still soupy, though, that's for sure, as we see some of these pop-up showers and storms. By the afternoon and evening, some of these storms could be on the strong to severe side again. Again, we're thinking probably 2 o'clock till 10 p.m., a window of opportunity with some showers continuing after that. The latest from the Storm Prediction Center does have a level 1 marginal risk for our entire area. The update to that comes out at midnight tonight. We'll let you know what that looks like on TV on 7 a.m. in the morning show when Jamie Mays and I are back. Probably what we'll look at, this big broad brush we've had for every round of showers and storms. This is going to be for tomorrow's round. Wind and hail, the main threats, though a couple of tornadoes wouldn't be out of the question. We'll identify more of those ingredients as we wake up tomorrow. Flooding rains, though, still a possibility here. And flooding rains likely through the week ahead here. Finally, heading into next week, the chances of rain start to diminish a little bit. We may see, though, over the next 7 days, another bit of 2 to 4 inches of rain area-wide, with those chances for rain and storms every day. The important thing to note is that even though there's rain and storms every day, it will not rain all day. We'll see these rounds come and go as the tropical moisture sticks on in. Those chances probably going to continue up into Friday and Saturday, right before 4th of July, but the chances are looking lower at this point. So maybe we're seeing change just in time for the 4th of July. A lot of folks are looking forward to that, hopefully. We would be, too. We want to get this rain and storms out of here, frankly.
Absolutely. Yep. We're ready for that.
Oh,
thanks, Jacob.